Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Alright, you guys, what's up? What to do? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Or if you're not new, welcome back, gang. So today is freaking Sunday. It's like later on in the day, Sunday. I should have started this earlier, but I was making another vlog, so I was like, we'll start now. I'm also clean up my kitchen, clean up my room, clean up Corey's room, and yeah, and do a little unboxing for y'all. YouTube, well, from Amazon, which y'all was on earlier. I'm not looking forward to taking this clothes off. I got so many clothes. And I call myself, I got like a whole bunch of bags sitting right there. I gotta go like Google. I call myself like clean out my closet. But I still got clothes. Like, crazy. Still got stuff in here. I'm gonna cook some spaghetti. Some spaghetti, I'm like, hurry. You want some spaghetti? Keep on some spaghetti. Yeah. It's like, well, what you gonna eat then? Keep on some. I don't want that spaghetti. I'm like, well, I'm gonna get spaghetti today. Chill. To eat. I like my new pants that I bought. I'm gonna turn the heat down because it's hot in here. I'm washing the dishes. Before I put them in the dishwasher, I like to rinse them off because the dishwasher really don't get everything. I should have been putting the dishwasher. I'm probably gonna have to like wash these twice. Okay, y'all. I keep hitting my fingernails. I already broke one. I literally just broke one like getting these boxes together or whatever. Alright. So I just got a super glue it back on because it was press on there. So I'm just about to open some boxes. I had went on ahead. Some of them kind of like look crazy because I had to rip my address off of it or whatever. But this is some stuff that I bought. I really wanted to wait until like, I look so crazy, y'all. I really wanted to wait until my bag got here so I could like show y'all the stuff that I bought, then put it together. But it's looking like real, oh my gosh, like it's gonna take forever to get here. And I ordered it. And it was like 2 days shipping. Remember, because it was just like Thanksgiving or whatever, I don't know. FedEx, Wayfair. Where's my stuff at? I need my bed. You feel me? My bed. Need to go get some scissors. They be tying this stuff up really good, child. Like real good. Let me go get my scissors. I got my scissors. Some of this stuff is for Kari. I ordered some stuff for his room too. I got some more stuff just sitting in my cart that I want to order. I'll just be buying stuff off Amazon. I was just buying. So I was like, I'm supposed to be saving. This chunk is in here like really, really good. Like, dang. They ain't got this in him. Real good. This is a rug that I got for Carter. That's what it is. I bought him some little stickers, or I don't know if I had bought it. I think I put it on his registry, and one of my supporters had got them, but I rebought him some stickers myself, and I put up the first ones, and he just took them down, like trying to put them back up himself, and they didn't re-stick. So I'm gonna put these up higher so he can't take them down. They keep little stickers, and he loves them when I put them up. And I got him a rug because y'all, Kari room, he got juice everywhere in his room. So I got him this little rug to go in his room. Yeah, I like this. It's cute. It's a cute little rug. And it's big. It's actually bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Bigger than what I thought it was going to be. I cannot do nothing with these nails. Let me see how much I paid for this rug. I'm going to tell y'all. I keep looking at Wayfair stuff because, like, where is my stuff at? It just say out for delivery. It been saying that forever. Forever. Hopefully it come like one day, tomorrow. Oh, I'm supposed to be telling y'all how much I spent for this rug. It's actually way bigger than what I thought it was gonna be, y'all. Like, it's actually quite big. Track and manage orders. I ordered 2 things and they got it on hold. Like, I'm not understanding why. Run me my money since it's undeliverable and on hold. Alright, so I paid $24 $99 for the rug. This wasn't bad. He wasn't bad at all. I'm gonna give him some more rugs too, like some little learning rugs. He gonna have a fit when he sees this. He gonna be like, "They're mine, mine, they're mine, they're mine, mine, they're mine, mine, they're mine." Alright. Clean my room somewhat, and it's gonna get right back. There you go. They say this is a set. Do not separate. I remember when I was working at Walmart warehouse, and we used to see it. So that's easy. I don't know how y'all do it with these nails, because y'all see them over here struggling. To be honest, I did really good for only one to break, and I went like 2 whole days without one breaking. It's good. What's this? Oh, I know what this is. I ordered these cube set things to organize my closet, but it's talking about some delivery on hold, so I'm gonna just have that ordered to my mom's house and my desk since I can't seem to get it. So that's what that is. Let's see what this is. I don't know what I ordered. I'm just opening it for the first time. For the first time. I ordered I had put, when I had my registry, I put some pillows on there, and I really thought it was like the pillow, but it's like the pillowcase for the pillow. And I had some pink ones, so I ordered some white ones, and I actually ordered some more pink ones too, because they was just so cute to me. Like, they were so freaking cute. So I just went and ordered some white ones. That's what it looks like for my bed. I ordered a white bed. If you keep over my channel, you know that I was like, well, I kind of want my room to be like all pink, but we're gonna do like white and pink. So I ordered those. Those are like really cute. How much was it? Them are really cute. Like, I'm in love with those. I was in love with the pink ones, which I ripped, and I got why. Ooh, I had ripped it. Where is it? It was, for both of these, it was $11.19 for these two. It's not, that wasn't bad at all. Like, it wasn't bad at all. Cute. What this is. I think it's the pillows. Keep this little bag. They know how to pack stuff. When you order stuff from like over, I can't even get this out, y'all. When you order stuff from like overseas, this is how they pack your stuff. I do not want to rip this bag, but like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to, but I don't want to because I want to save the I really wanted to say this. I'm about to cut it because I can't get it open. This. I don't know what this is. Are these my pillows? I gotta get my pillows. Why are they so flat though? They would have inflated. They better freaking inflate under there. They would have inflated. I want like a whole bunch. Okay. I want a whole bunch of pillows. It's cool how this inflated. I want a whole bunch of pillows on my bed. So I ordered some pillows. I'll show you how much it was. For both of these pillows, it was $20 for 2 of them. Which is, I feel like it's not that bad. Some of y'all be like, bro, you could have went to Walmart. And you could have went and got a pillow from Walmart. Child, you just be on Amazon, you just be buying stuff. You be getting stuff just to get it. I ordered some more pink ones because I really didn't ruin my pink ones that I got. The things from the child. I ordered these. My bed gonna be so cute, y'all. Oh. So excited. So excited. So excited. What is it? I gotta like pull up. Like I know what I bought, but they got them in the little thing, so. Oh, I think it's my rug. Those pink things over there, they was $20.99. $20.99. Yeah, that's how much it was. This is my rug for my floor. Even though I bought a rug earlier. I'm talking about earlier. I bought a rug like a while ago when I was buying like my bathroom stuff. And I don't know, I might use both, but the rug is just sitting in there in my living room. I cannot wait for my bed to get here, and I gotta see why I wanted to wait. Cause I was like, I'm just gonna have the stuff sitting here. And this gonna motivate me to, because I am gonna have white bedding. It's gonna motivate me to like make sure I wash my makeup off my face, cause I be so tired. But I haven't been better with my skincare routine. Boy, they be making sure they got. I'm trying to read it, but you can't. I was saying hand wash recommended. It's like recommend washing. It's so pretty. Yeah. This is so cute, y'all. Okay. Okay, baby. Oh, I'm so happy for my rug, and it's big. It's actually big. This is the rug that's gonna go like under my bed. I be iffy about ordering rugs because you do not know how big it's gonna be. Oh, I'm so happy for my rug, y'all. Hold on, cause I don't know which way I want my bed to go, but we'll figure it out when it gets here. This rug is some motherfucking bomb. Like, I'm gonna have to order another one of these. Baby. I'm gonna have to order another one of those. Amazon, I'm trying to get all my money. Y'all, this rug is like nice. It's nice. I'm finna show y'all. My room finna be so cute. And it's so fluffy. Ooh. I'm finna show you this rug. Look at it. Y'all can't really see because of the light. Let me turn the light around. Let's not do my rug. This junk is nice. Y'all can't really see the color because of the light. But my rug is nice. Like, this is a nice rug. Definitely gonna order another. I wish I could like show y'all what it looked like for real. But the light is just like, ouch! I just broke a whole nother nail. Oh my gosh, I'm doing too much. This thing is so freaking soft, y'all. Like, this is so soft. Let me tell y'all how much I paid for this rug. I love this rug. It's 2 nails on the freaking broke. Okay, y'all can kind of see the light right now. The color of the rug right now. That thing long, baby. That thing long. Huh? Okay, let me tell y'all how much I paid for this rug. Comment down below and tell me if you like that rug. I did that. Amazon, you did that. You did that, Amazon. You did that one. Because I know somebody will like, can you put the link? I'm gonna try to put the link when I'm in this video in the description box for y'all for this stuff. It just be like a lot of links I'm gonna have to like put it, but I'll try. I had the 6x9 feet rug. 6x9 feet. And it was $37.79. Which wasn't bad. Like, it's giving like snow vibes. I don't know, like it's giving the vibe that I want to give for my room, if that makes sense. That's what it's giving. I really wish my bed would like been here so I can like put it together. To be honest, I'm gonna order another one of those. So the rug, it almost reaches like across my room, but not quite. So yeah, I'm gonna order another one and see how I like it. Well, I'm gonna see how my bed look when we get here. Then we'll see. I'm in love. Clearly, because you see I didn't stop opening the other stuff. Words or whatever that I got on my wall. gonna have to get my brother to help me put this. Oh, it's not mine. It's Kari's. I thought I ordered somewhere too. I guess not. This little another sticker thing. The Kari wall. Let's finish this spraying. Okay. Throw my stuff over there. I really don't know which way I want my bed to go. Like, I think I want it to go like be on the wall, but going like this way, if that makes sense. I don't know. Some more pillows. I told y'all I want to hold pillows for my room, for my bed. I used to throw pillows for them to go on. That's what these is. This is what I ordered for. They be sealing this stuff up like real good. Dear valid customer, your pillows are compressed for shipping purposes. Do not open with sharp objects. Look at me. Open with sharp objects. After removing from package, please shake up to 5 minutes to regain fluffiness, or place and dry your with or without tennis balls on low heat for a few minutes. Please allow up to 24 hours to regain it. It's full. How many pillows did I order though? Cause these look like. Oh, I hope them things that I ordered. I might have to order some more small pillows. Cause okay. Cause I was trying to say. These look too big. They do a good job with putting this stuff with like sealing it. I hope my things fit. Please fit. I think it's gonna fit. Yeah. What it says? Shake for like 5 minutes. I'm not doing that. It'll just inflate on its own. They fit, they're the perfect size. Yeah. Period. I finished putting that on later. Let me finish opening the rest of these boxes because I'm gonna start getting ready for work. I got a base card before I leave so he can be in the bed by the time my brother comes. That's the second one that didn't feel off. Now I'm gonna have to pop all these off. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop all these off before I go to work. I don't even know where it went. It's over there somewhere. It's the security blankets for grown-ups and alternate micro comforter. Right, this is my comforter. I got a white one. I got a white one, child. This is a plain, like, simple white one. I might order like another fluffy one, like a furry fluffy one. Let's see. I gotta see how I'm gonna like it on my bed. I need to order an iron. That's what I'm gonna order. Put an iron on there. But I'm actually going to Walmart tomorrow, so I could just buy one on Walmart. Let me move this cover, this cup, before I drop it. So this is my comforter. It's just a little queen size white comforter, and it's white. Alright, one more box, y'all. Okay, these are the last items that I ordered. I ordered some bed risers for my bed so my bed can sit up high. And I ordered some white ones because my bed is white, but the bottom is like a little black, but it's like majority white. So yeah, I ain't gonna open these. This is bed risers. And when my bed come, I'll do like a room tour of me like decorating my room. And it's gonna take me like a little minute to like figure out how like I want it, because even though I order my bed, I still want to order like a dresser, and then a chest or whatever. I ordered some white silk sheets, which they kind of look like vanilla-ish. Like they really don't go with. It's not that bad. It's straight. But yeah, I will order some silk sheets for my bed. Where the pillowcases? So I can put the pillowcase on. There you go. But yeah, y'all. Let me put these back in there so they won't get dirty. That's everything I ordered from Amazon for now. If you want to know like how much something costs, just look in the description box below. I'll try to do my best to put it in there. I'm sorry if I do leave something out, but I'm just about to finish cleaning up until my brother get here, bathe Kari, clean up his room some, and I'm gonna be on my way to work. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. y'all, it's almost 11:30. I gotta hurry up, get in the shower so I can get ready to go to work, do the work. I leave about like 12:15. I'm doing my makeup when I get to work. Thank you guys for tuning in to this vlog. This is what I did today. I still need to clean up. I'm just gonna get up early tomorrow, clean up, work with some orders, whatever, do a separate vlog. If you want to see how much money I'm gonna make for day 8 on my 25K, make sure you click the playlist so you don't miss that vlog. And please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the video, you guys. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.